My name is Praveen Bastia and my team number is 591267 and our project is on Tata Power stock analysis. So now I'm going to discuss about the first sum of open and close for each month, and this shows the sum of the open and close value for the particular month for the year 2021 and 2022. As we can see over here that the December month has the highest open and close value, while August has the least among all these months. And going towards the histogram, we see that the particular month in the year 2021 and 22, December had the highest high and low as well, but the August had the least. And for the third sum of high and low for each month, we see that this represents the same data as we have seen in the histogram, but this is a lollipop chart where the high value is the ball and the low value is the stick. So now we'll continue the second dashboard, and the first part here is the tree map. The tree map contains the open and close data for each month of the year. The month with a larger open and close value creates a larger rectangle, while a smaller rectangle or a smaller open and close value creates a smaller rectangle. As you can see that the December had the largest rectangle and August had the smallest rectangle. And coming to the second pie chart over here, pie chart according to the quarters, this pie chart is divided into the 4 quarters of the financial year. Each quarter represents the high value, low value and the volume of each stock bought in that particular quarter. And coming to the upper dual axis chart, which actually compares the open value and the volume purchase for the particular month, over the past 2 years, while the lower dual axis, this one, compares the average open value and the close value for the particular day of the month over the past 2 years. Coming to the last part over in the dashboard 2, that is the line bar chart. In this chart, the volume and the close value was compared for each quarter when investment in the Tata Power stocks were made. The close value is represented in the bars here, while volume is represented through a line depicting the change in the trend for each quarter. So this ends the dashboard part over here. Thank you.
Hi, this is Aryan Rustgi. My team ID is 591267, and our project is based on analyzing the power stock, Tata Power stock. We use Tableau to visualize our project. Now let's see story part of our visualization. Here you can see that we visualize the sum of open and close for each month. As we can see that December 2021 had the highest value for both open and close value, while the August 2022 had the least one. Now here we can see that the same for the sum of high and low for each month. In December 2022 had the highest value, while the August had the lowest one. And here we can see this line graph gives open, average and close value uh, for all the dates of a month. In this visualization we can see a tree map that represents the open and the close value for each month. Here you can see that. And now in this visualization we show a pie chart according to the quarters of the year. Here we can see the high, low and volume for each of the quarters or in a financial year. Here is the quarter 1. You can see all the details here. Here you can see the quarter 2 values. Here is the result. Here we can see the third quarter and the values high, low, volume. And here is the fourth one, the fourth quarter. You can see the high, low, and the volume. So my friend Somajit will continue from here. Thank you for being with me.
Hello, my name is Samajit Pal and I will show you the web integration of our dashboard and story. First of all, we downloaded a Bootstrap template from bootstrapmade.com. Then we used Sublime Text to edit the Bootstrap template code according to our requirements. The body of the code is divided into multiple sections, the first of which is header. Header consists of the project title, which is Tata Power Stock Analysis, and the various headings of other sections, which when clicked will take us to the other sections. Next, we have the hero section, which shows our tagline. Then, we have got the About Us section, which gives information about our website. Next, we have got the Dashboard section, which contains the dashboards that we have made in Tableau. We have integrated this code into our HTML code by copying the embedded text in the Tableau public server for each dashboard and pasting it into the main code. As you can see, our dashboards are interactive, allowing an ease of access to the customer. Next, we have the storyboard section. We got the embedded code for stories similarly like we got for dashboards, that is through Tableau Public. Next, we have got the team section, which is information about our team members. After this, we have got the pricing section. As you can see, our pricing is divided into two sections, free and business. Free consists of basic functions, while business contains more advanced functions. Finally, we have got the contact section, which contains our address, email address, and our location. We have embedded the code for the location into our main code, allowing users to check our location. Now, we move towards the web deployment using Flask. The code that we have used is in Python. We have used Visual Studio Code to create this code. The code imports the Flask class, the render template function, and the request object from the Flask package. It then creates a Flask application instance named app using the Flask constructor. The @app.root decorator tells Flask that the hello world function should be called when a user makes a request to the root URL of the application. The hello world function simply renders the index.html template file and returns it to the user. The if name equal to main block ensures that the application is only run when it is executed directly and not when it is imported as a module. The app.run debug equal to false line starts the Flask deployment server on port 5000. So this is all about the Python code. When we click on run, we can see that an IP address is generated. When we click on this link, it takes us to our website, the features of which has been explained beforehand. That is all about our Tata PowerSock Analysis Dashboard website. Hope you had as much fun listening to it as we had making it. Thank you.